Xiaomi Redmi 9A smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A75 plus 1.7 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex-A55 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G70 chipset. It has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. Xiaomi Redmi 9A smartphone has a IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels and 267 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 5MP front camera, and on the rear, there's an 13MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 5000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Xiaomi Redmi 9A price in India. Xiaomi Redmi 9A smartphone price in India is likely to be 7,999 rupees. Xiaomi Redmi 9A is rumored to be launched in the country on February 11, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.